Gear pumps must be properly installed and carefully started in order to work correctly. To test the gear pump, we will attach it to a test bench and run it as if it was installed on the actual machine operating at the proper pressure. When replacing the gear pump, one must first ensure that the machine has been disconnected and the hydraulic oil and the system components are clean. At times, a flush of the system is recommended. Check the reservoir oil levels and add oil as needed. Ensure the proper rotation of the shaft and adjust the machine accordingly to avoid damaging the unit. Once the new pump is installed, check the mounting and coupler to ensure proper attachment and alignment. Fill the pump and suction hose with oil and make sure the inlet line is not being restricted. Tighten all the connections and make sure that the cylinders in the system are in the retracted mode. At this point, we are ready to start the pump at a low speed and with a no pressure reading in the system. Make sure all the control valves are in a neutral position and the main relief valve is fully open. This first stage should be done for at least 3 minutes to ensure the system is purged of any air. At times, it may be necessary to open a fitting at the highest point of the machine to release any trapped air. Before moving on to the second stage, check for any leaks as well as the reservoir level. If necessary, add oil. Now crank the engine speed halfway and turn the relief to 500 psi. Cycle the functions. This should be done for another 3 minutes while constantly checking for any leaks. With the engine now in the third stage at full speed, we increase the pressure over 1000 psi and cycle the functions once again. After 3 more minutes at this pressure and speed, we check one final time for any leaks in the reservoir level. Now we can set the main relief for operating conditions and the unit is ready. Please make sure that the settings and pressure levels do not exceed the ratings of the pump with this procedure.